Good evening, friends. Look around you. There is a special magic that flows through this land. The magic of fantasy, swirling with pixie dust, made more brilliant by the light that lives within you. It inspires us to wish upon stars, follow our hearts, and find our happily ever afters. Tonight, as we gather together under the spires of this majestic castle, our dreams ignite the magic to create a beacon shining out and celebrating 50 years of the most magical place on earth.
In a most enchanted kingdom, one overflowing with magic. And once upon a time, it all began with a dream.
Yesterday, Disneyland and the New York World's Fair. Tomorrow, a project so vast it has already been called a whole new Disney World.
As you can see on this map, we have a perfect location in Florida. There's enough land here to hold all the ideas and plans you can possibly imagine. Walt Disney World is a tribute to the philosophy and life of Walt and Disney. May Walt Disney World bring joy and inspiration and new knowledge to all who come to this happy place. Imagine a kingdom where the young and hearts of all ages can laugh and play and learn together. Dedicated to the 25th day of October, 1971.
Oh boy, this place sure is swell. Some folks like to say that it all started with a dream. But you want to know what makes this place really special? It's you! Each and every one of you. Anytime you set foot here, you leave this place brighter than it was before. Because you are the magic.
Make a wish upon a star. Close your eyes and just believe it. You have traveled from so far.
Wow.
With a smile on your face and a song in your heart, this is where you're meant to be. Wish upon a star. The magic is here. It's here for you and me.
Let your
The magic of dreams come true is calling out to you, inspiring each of you to wish upon a star. Follow your hearts and discover a world full of wonder. Like those who have answered the call, if you allow your dream to be your guide, you may be surprised by what you discover. So long as you simply believe.
I remember someone told me fairy tales can come true. You gotta make it happen. It all depends on you. This town can slow you down. People taking the easy way. But I don't care where I'm going. Levels are closer every day. I'm almost there. People out here think I'm crazy. But I'm
Beautiful. In the tower.
But I climb the mountain, I cross the river. Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar, but scars can heal and reveal just where you are. The people you love will change you. The things you have learned will guide you. And nothing on earth can silence the quiet voice still inside you.
And so, we have found what we seek. The magic of dreams come true, in fact, lies within you. This magical kingdom remains a beacon to those with a wish in their heart, gifting every person who walks through these gates this enchantment. Look inside yourself and realize that you have everything you need to make all your dreams come true. Anything is possible, for you are the magic.